Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know that transferring assets between exchanges is a key skill. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Kucoin to Coinbase in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving, I'll walk you through the latest steps to make this process smooth and secure. Why bother? Well, Coinbase is great for holding and selling, while Kucoin offers more trading options, so moving your XRP can optimize your strategy. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Coinbase, and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for extra security. Always double-check that your XRP balances are accurate on Kucoin before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Kucoin account and navigate to the Assets, or Wallets, section. Find your XRP balance and select the Withdrawal option. You'll need to choose the correct network. XRP typically uses the XRP Ledger network, so ensure that's selected to avoid any issues. Step 2. Enter your Coinbase wallet address as the destination. You can find this by logging into Coinbase, going to your XRP wallet, and copying the address. Pro tip. Always verify the address to prevent sending funds to the wrong place, which could mean losing your assets forever. Step 3. Set the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Remember, there might be network fees, so check the estimated fees on Kucoin before confirming. Once you're happy, hit withdraw and confirm the transaction with any required 2FA codes. Now, head over to Coinbase. It might take a few minutes to an hour for the transfer to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you'll see your XRP balance update. Finally, after the transfer, review your transaction history on both platforms to ensure everything went smoothly. If you run into any hiccups, reach out to the exchange's support. There you have it. Transferring XRP in 2025 is easier than ever with these steps. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.